The good old Elantra is back with me today. States that there is a small roaring noise. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there is. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that, replace the rotors and brakes, and they'll be good. And this is what a worn out brake pad looks like. We got the old rotor off. Look at that thing. That thing is all ate up. Then I love to use this Lyle compressor because you give it a few squeezes. There it is. Running out of light here, but you always want to use new hardware. Put your brake pads in correctly. Make sure the meat is towards the rotor. Then we can take our little clamshell, bring it on down. There we go. All you're going to do now is torque it to spec, and then you're good to go.